Ever wondered what are the top 15 places to visit in the USA? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to embark on an exhilarating journey across this diverse country, exploring the most awe-inspiring destinations that are a must-visit. From the grandeur of natural wonders to the hustle and bustle of iconic cities, the USA is brimming with captivating sights waiting to be discovered. So buckle up and let your wanderlust guide you. Now let's dive into our exciting countdown. Starting our countdown with number 15, we have the vibrant city of Denver, Colorado. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Rocky Mountains, Denver offers a unique blend of urban sophistication and outdoor adventure. From art galleries and museums to craft breweries and food markets, there's something for everyone in the mile-high city. Moving on to number 14, we're heading down south to the Florida Keys. Imagine a string of tropical islands, each more beautiful than the last, connected by a scenic highway that stretches over the crystal-clear waters of the Atlantic. Here you can explore coral reefs, go fishing, or simply relax on a sandy beach under the warm Florida sun. Next, at number 13 is Graceland in Tennessee. This is a must-visit for any music fan. As the home of Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, Graceland offers a unique glimpse into the life of a music legend. From the jungle room to the meditation garden, every corner of this estate is filled with stories and memories of Elvis. At number 12, we arrive at the heart of the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. No visit to the United States would be complete without a stop at the iconic White House. Although you may not get a personal tour from the president, the surrounding area is rich in history and culture, with landmarks, museums, and memorials that tell the story of the American people. Finally, for our 11th stop, we're heading out to the Pacific, to the lush tropical paradise of the Hawaiian Islands. From the dramatic cliffs of the Nepali coast to the warm sands of Waikiki Beach, Hawaii offers an array of natural wonders. Whether you're surfing, hiking, or simply lounging by the beach, the Aloha spirit is sure to capture your heart. And that wraps up our first 5 destinations. Let's see what's next. Moving on to our top 10, we're kicking off with the tropical paradise of the Hawaiian Islands. Picture yourself lounging on pristine beaches, exploring volcanic landscapes, and soaking up that laid-back island vibe. It's like stepping into a postcard. Next, we're making a pit stop at the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. The city is brimming with iconic landmarks, but none as famous as the White House. The rich history encapsulated within its walls is a testament to the nation's journey. From there, we're heading south to Graceland, Tennessee. For all you music fans, this is the place to be. Get a peek into the life of the king himself, Elvis Presley, and feel the rhythm of rock and roll history. Now, let's change gears and head west to Denver, Colorado. Often referred to as the gateway to the Rockies, Denver offers a unique blend of urban sophistication and outdoor adventure. With craft breweries, art scenes, and the stunning Rocky Mountain views, Denver is a city that has something for everyone. And finally, we are taking a detour to the sunny Florida Keys. Imagine stepping into a tropical paradise with picture-perfect beaches and crystal-clear waters. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? We're halfway through our list. Stay tuned for the top 5. Now let's reveal our top 5, starting with the vibrant city of New Orleans, Louisiana. Steeped in a rich tapestry of multicultural history, this city is a melting pot of French, African, and American cultures. Known for its vibrant live music scene, distinct cuisine, and unique traditions like the world-famous Mardi Gras festival, New Orleans is a city that truly knows how to celebrate life. Next up, at number 4, we have the unspoiled paradise that is the Hawaiian Islands. Known for their rugged landscapes of cliffs, waterfalls, tropical foliage, and beaches with gold, red, black, and even green sands, it's truly a tropical paradise. Add to this the warm and welcoming Hawaiian culture, and you have a destination that's perfect for relaxation and adventure alike. Coming in at number 3, we head off to the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Here, you'll find a city packed with iconic landmarks including the White House, the Lincoln Memorial, and the U.S. Capitol. But it's not just about the monuments and memorials. DC is also home to amazing museums, diverse neighborhoods, and a thriving food scene. Our second spot takes us to the breathtaking Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. With its dramatic peaks, pristine lakes, and abundant wildlife, it's a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're into hiking, wildlife viewing, or simply soaking in the awe-inspiring landscapes, Grand Teton National Park is a destination that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Just one more to go. Can you guess what it is? And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our number one place to visit in the USA is the breathtaking Smoky Mountains, straddling the border between Tennessee and North Carolina. This majestic range is named for the smoky haze that often hangs over it, creating an ethereal atmosphere that is both calming and awe-inspiring. The Smoky Mountains are a nature lover's paradise, offering a myriad of outdoor activities. Hiking enthusiasts will be thrilled with the variety of trails that wind through lush forests alongside gurgling streams and up to panoramic vistas. Wildlife watchers can spot an array of animals, from the humble deer to the elusive black bear. The region is also steeped in history, with preserved pioneer buildings that offer a glimpse into the life of the early settlers. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or a step back in time, the Smoky Mountains have it all. So there you have it, our number one must-visit place in the USA. So these were the top 15 places to visit in the USA. We've taken a virtual journey across the country, from the awe-inspiring natural beauty of the Grand Canyon and Yellowstone National Park to the hustle and bustle of New York City, the magic of Walt Disney World, and the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. We ventured into the wilderness at the Grand Teton National Park, felt the power of Niagara Falls, admired the stunning landscapes of Yosemite National Park, and immersed ourselves in the vibrant culture and lively atmosphere of New Orleans. We've also soaked up the tropical vibes of the Hawaiian Islands, visited the iconic White House in Washington, D.C., paid homage to the King of Rock and Roll at Graceland, explored the gateway to the Rockies in Denver, relaxed in the tropical paradise of the Florida Keys, and finally ended our journey in the serene beauty of the Smoky Mountains. Each of these destinations has its own unique charm, offering different experiences that cater to all kinds of travelers. Whether you're a nature lover, a city explorer, a history buff, or a beach bum, there's something for everyone in the USA. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these places would you love to visit the most? Do you have any other favorite destinations in the USA that didn't make it to the list? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments section below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps a lot in supporting the channel. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future travel adventures. If you're looking for more travel inspiration, there's plenty more content on the channel for you to check out. Traveling is all about exploration, learning, and creating unforgettable memories. It opens up our minds to different cultures, landscapes, and experiences, enriching our lives in so many ways. While we can't always hop on a plane and jet off to a new destination, we can always keep the spirit of travel alive by learning and dreaming about these incredible places. So keep exploring, keep dreaming, and when the time is right, go out there and make those dreams a reality. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey. Until next time, happy travels.